You can get in there.
Yep, that's the idea. Jesus Christ, that is a tight fit. Just. My foot's caught on something. There we go. Beautiful colours. Colour of that ceiling. What a beautiful shelter.
Yeah, turn around, I'll take a picture of the ground. Okay, nice.
Switch the torch on. That is proper in collapsing. Piles of earth. It's all collapsed. Wow, there's not much holding this up. He says as he walks underneath it. Let's just go to the end. Let's admire the beauty of this spectacular shelter. And it's in a totally remote location. We found it by chance, just off the footpath. Look at that. I mean, it's weird, isn't it, when you're out exploring? You just saw a bricked up tunnel about 500 yards away. Walking back to the footpath, and this is at the bottom of a wood. I mean, it's exactly the same. I mean, we're in Lincolnshire, but it's exactly the same design and build as what I've seen in Dover and other places. Oh God, it's bits of wood there holding it up. Even more reason I shouldn't really be in here. Okay, air raid shelter, but there's no blast wall at either end, which is odd. Okay, bye for now.